Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically insert the spreadsheet into Google Docs. So I'm just going to create a chart first. So go to insert, select chart, and you can do a pie chart or age versus name maybe. I'm just going to do this instead. So then I'm just going to basically go back to Google Docs, and then I'm going to go to insert, and then I am going to open chart, and I'm going to select from sheets, and I'm going to open up this one, and I'm going to import this chart, and then I'm going to select it. I'm going to select import. You can also add in the name here by going to open source. It's going to open the same thing, but if you have it closed, it's going to be here. Just select everything, copy by pressing Control C, and then where you want it, for instance here maybe. You're just going to press Control V and then paste link to spreadsheet. That's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!